Good morning, guys. It is another day here. There's still painting in progress happening, and probably for another week. It's been a while because a lot of prep work from the number that the previous painter did. So yesterday I had placed like an order pickup for the Container Store, and my babe picked up some goodies, so I was able to organize my cabinets a little bit more. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got and some things I gotta return and exchange because turns out it was the wrong size, even though I thought it was the same exact one that I had purchased before, because I went through my purchase history and I just added like another one to my cart, but it's completely different this time. Like, let me show you one thing. Do you guys see how big this silver bin is? It's like an open front bin. Do you see how wide and deep this is? That was supposed to go under here and stack on top of this one. This one's not that wide and not that deep because I wanted it for here for stuff. So I don't know. I haven't been able to use my kitchen much because they've been painting, like I said. So hopefully they're done with the kitchen. I don't know until they show up again today. Hopefully they're done so I can do some things in my kitchen. This is like my first week off that I don't have class anymore online on Zoom. I don't have to do work for it, nothing. So, and I only have like a couple of weeks left of summer, so I'm really starting to get like anxious and stressed of having to go back to work. Just because of the commute and not having time to do anything at home. So anyway, let me show you guys some organizers I got. And these are a little different too from when I first ordered them. I think back in like 2018, 2019 maybe. Who am I kidding? I think it was actually like 2017. But anyway, I had this like mesh kind of thing that I had in my old pantry at my parents' house just to like stack things better because those shelves are really tall. So I had this and I separated the plates. I needed another one to separate these, and this is the new style now. It's a little different. It's got like this rim here. Is it bothering me? Not really. I think it's fine. If it does start bothering me, I'll have to get another one of these. And then up there, I got one also that's like a longer one. I don't really use those plates. Those are like extras. They're really, really heavy, but I really like them, so I'm keeping them. So I'm just stacking more of those bowls up there because they don't all fit here. But I love those bowls also. Actually, I need to change out one of these to the pink one. I don't know where my other pink one is. It's gotta go there because it'll look cuter. And then these bowls, when Jaden was here, I went through all 4 of these when he was here for like, because you know, it's like plastic, easier for him to carry, not so heavy. He had pasta, he had snacks in there, chips, and he didn't want them in any other bowl except that one. So yeah, so I feel like I need to move those down, but maybe I'll move the gray ones up because I don't use these as often. I use these more. So I don't know, we'll see. These are kind of heavy too, but they're just so cute with the little like ruffles and things. So I did get that organizer, at least something organized. And I don't remember if I've shown you guys this drawer. I keep forgetting to tell you guys about this organizer. I feel like maybe I have shown you, I don't even know, but if you guys wanted to get this organizer, I do have a coupon code. It is a plastic bag organizer, fits perfectly in my cabinet. And I like that it's the wood color because it matches my cabinet, so it just kind of looks like an addition to the cabinet or the drawer. So you separate your bags, you buy like the bags, you put them in here, and they take up less space than they would have keeping them in those bag boxes. So you have gallon size bags, quart size bags, snack size bags, and sandwich bags. So you can organize these, and it's just so easy. Like when I need to put stuff away, I just quickly grab a bag. I don't have to take out a box, then open the box, take out a bag. Like, this is so easy. I was thinking of getting one for this as well, but I don't know if this would fit from here to here. I don't know if I have enough space. I have to look. But that would be so good too, to have like an organizer here as well for this, even though this kind of already does look pretty organized. And I know the larger ones, like these long ones, are not gonna fit into that organizer. So I don't know what to do with this yet, because if I do get an organizer here, it's gonna go up to here, then I don't have room for these foil sheets. These would have to go elsewhere. What are those foil sheets? Oh, they're just like oh, why don't I use these? I kind of thought that these were for my crock pot, but now that I'm reading it, this is like for sandwiches and stuff. They're like pre-cut sheets. Why do I not use these? I don't know. I'm gonna have to use those. But yeah, so I will have a coupon code and a link for this one that I do have. It's like bamboo, it's sturdy, and the good thing about this is that you can mount it to a wall. It's got these little like hook things, so if you put some screws on your wall, you can mount it to your wall inside of a pantry, inside of a door, whatever it is. But I personally just like mine in here. I'm trying to slide it back in. It's a tight squeeze, there we go. It's not so tight like otherwise, but one of these was sticking out on the side. But yeah, I love those. So I will have a link for you guys for that. Something stuck under here, isn't it? There we go. Now that's in perfectly. But yeah, I love these. I have more backup bags to put in here whenever I'm use some up. I feel like the gallon size bags I'm gonna need next, even though I think what I have is the quart. I don't think I have the gallon. So we'll see. I also have to start like thinking and finding recipes for meal prepping to make like freezer meals, like crock pot meals or instant pot meals. Like you put them in a bag, you put them in a freezer, and they're ready to go. Because when I'm back at work, Babe cooks, and I usually make him a list of what we're gonna eat so that he knows what he's making. But sometimes I don't know. Like sometimes I'm just like, I can't think. So it would be nice to just have like some freezer meals on hand and ready to go, so that if I can't think of something, Babe could just like throw it into the Instant Pot or the crock pot and let it do its thing. So it's like a one pot kind of meal. So I have to think of what kind of meals I'm gonna prepare in advance and put in the freezer. And it's so nice that we have like this new fridge now and a freezer, and then we also have the old fridge that came with the house, which wasn't even that old, but that came with the house, and that's in the garage. So we have that freezer space also. So double freezer space makes it so much better, because we have like tons of meat that like we have frozen. So yeah, it's good to have like another one. And what else? I don't know what else, but I'll come back to it. I have a lot of stuff to do. I also have to buy stuff for my birthday. I'm gonna have like a birthday celebration here. One day is with friends, one day is with family. I told you guys, but I need to buy decorations. And instead, yesterday, I bought fall decorations. I'm getting ready for fall instead of my birthday that's still in the summer. Like I need like summery plates and things. I wanna get just like paper, because I don't want this laying around. I'm not gonna reuse it. I know the fall ones I will, because I got like the ones that are reusable. I got like a buffalo check pattern, and that matches with pretty much everything. You could use that fall, Christmas, whatever. So for my summer birthday, I just wanna get like paper stuff that it's like a one-time use and then I throw out. So I gotta find some things, and I started looking on Pinterest for some ideas on like what I can set up and prepare. Like I'm gonna put watermelons on popsicle sticks, and that's gonna be super cute. Yeah, I don't know what else. So we shall see. And that is it for now, I guess. I'm gonna try to vlog today, but I don't think it's gonna be an exciting day. I think I'll just be upstairs recording some videos. The painter should be here any minute now, painting, and at some point I'll come back down. I think I want to do potatoes today for dinner, my herb roasted potatoes that I love so much, so I think I want to do that. Yeah, but I think I do have to prepare like a list of what I'm gonna need for my birthday, because we're gonna have some people here. We need some food. I gotta make pizza dough. I wanted to do pizzas on my birthday also with my homemade pizza dough, like just pizza that we'll make at home. So I gotta make some pizza dough in my KitchenAid. So I made some before and it turned out so good. We tried one, it was great. So I wanna make some more pizza dough so that we could do that. And I also wanna make some zeppoli dough, Babe and I have to test that out before the party and stuff and see how that will work. So yeah, just things to prepare, things to do. And again, I'm stressing because it's almost back to school and then I'm gonna have time for nothing. All right guys, just filmed a couple of videos, baby boy and baby girl albums that I had made. Let me show you guys real quick. They are available in my Etsy shop if you guys are interested, but it's a boy. They are so cute, guys. So this one has a little koala, that one has a little fox, and then it's a girl, that one has a zebra, and that one has a giraffe. Super cute albums. I made all of these in like 2 days, though. I mean, I guess it took longer because I made the bases one day and then I did the boy albums in one day and then the girl albums another day, so I guess 3 days, but still I like them. They're so cute. So I had to use up those paper pads in my stash because they didn't fit into like my baby boy and baby girl bins anymore, and I don't want to have like an overflow bin where there's just other ones that just go there randomly and overflow into like fall or whatever. I don't want that, so they didn't fit into the bins. I had to keep them out, I had to use them, so I got them done. Also just found out that the painters are not coming today. They're done for the week because one of them's going on vacation, so they'll be back the following week. So just a continuation of my unfinished house. It's a process, guys. It's a process. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna edit these videos now because I'm not very happy about that, but I'm gonna go edit and get some of that work done now. Okay guys, I am not making herb roasted potatoes today because I have a ton of zucchini I need to use up, and we have burrata that I have to use before it goes bad. So what I'm making instead right now is zucchini parmesan crisps. So that's gonna be our snack. I'm also gonna be making zucchini meatballs to freeze, and then for dinner we're doing a gnocchi with burrata. So we'll see how this all tastes, but right now I'm working on the Parmesan crisps. My oven is preheating, and then hopefully these get nice and crispy. We'll see. But you guys see how big my zucchini is? Look at these slices, they're ginormous.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
All right, I'm grating zucchini for the zucchini meatballs, and I think I'm gonna have to run out and get more Parmesan cheese. This is the mixture from the Parmesan crisps, but the zucchini meatballs have pretty much something similar. So it says Parmesan cheese, some seasonings, which I added in different ones, but it's okay. I'm gonna need some garlic cloves, and it has breadcrumbs, so I think I need more breadcrumbs too, but I have more breadcrumbs, I just don't have more Parmesan cheese. But anyway, we're going to mix this up. I just realized I said mix, but I meant to say grate it up. Okay guys, my zucchini Parmesan crisps are out of the oven and ready to eat. I haven't tried one yet. And then I also made some zucchini meatballs in order to try and get rid of my zucchini and use it. And these I could either, you know, use within the week, or I will probably freeze them just so I have them for another day, because this isn't even today's dinner or anything. So there's that also. All right guys, let's taste test a Parmesan crisp here. It doesn't taste crispy. It just tastes like I'm eating breadcrumbs. I don't know, I feel like they need to go in the oven more, but the zucchini is cooked at least. They're good though in flavor. They are good. This turned into a whole baking and cooking day, but I made the, you guys saw the zucchini Parmesan crisps, the zucchini meatballs. That now they're in the freezer. I put them in the freezer already. I did some hard-boiled eggs. I have some dishes. I did some dishes already. And right now, I put together some coconut banana crunch muffins because I had some ripe bananas in my fridge. And I'm about to have some more ripe bananas, so I had to figure out a way to use this. But I'm thinking there's gonna be some pancakes this week or something, banana pancakes. Or maybe banana French toast, I don't know, something, because we gotta use up those bananas. And yeah, these are about to go in the oven, and then I gotta see what time I gotta start making dinner. Oh my gosh, guys. I was just doing dishes and I thought I had to put my muffins in the oven, and I set a timer and everything, and I look at the timer because I'm done doing dishes now, and I said like 3 minutes left, and I look over the counter to see like if I missed anything for dishes, and then I see this there. I never even put it in. Whoops. Well, now it's officially going in. Alexa, set 20-minute timer. Did she not hear me? Alexa, set 20-minute timer.
20 minutes, starting now.
Okay, now it's officially in the oven. But those are my coconut banana muffins. I've never made them before, but I had some banana in the fridge, so I had to use it up. Now I'm looking at my creamy tomato gnocchi that I need to make. I don't have cherry tomatoes though, and I know Babe doesn't like tomatoes, so we're gonna have to do without that. And hopefully this tastes good because I have no clue. I have dinner ready too. It's just gnocchi with burrata topped with basil. I'm trying to keep it warm for Babe because Babe is finishing up work right now. And it's a little bit more watery than I wanted to, but I followed a recipe but didn't at the same time. I used sauce instead of tomatoes, and yeah.